Welcome you all. In this video, I am going to explain how the variables are used in Python and what are the different type of numeric values used in numeric data type in Python. First of all, what is variable? Variable is used for naming a value. For example, a equal to 10. Here a is a variable, 10 is a value which is assigned to the particular variable a. Here in Python, we need not declare the data type of the variable explicitly. Instead, it identifies the data type of the variable automatically when the value assigned to it at running time. So here a equal to 10 means a is a numeric data type, a is a integer data type variable because the value integer is assigned to a. X equal to 9.5. Here the x is considered as the floating point data type. Y equal to hello. Here y is considered as the string data type. So depending upon the value assigned to the variable, the data type of the variable is automatically identified by the Python. Python also supports multiple assignments of variables. For example, x equal to y equal to z equal to 10, which means x is assigned with a value 10, y is assigned with a value 10 and z is also assigned with a value 10. Next example, x equal to y equal to z equal to 23, 5.6, hello, which means x is assigned with these three set of values, y is assigned with the same set of values and z is also assigned with the same set of values. In the previous example, a single value 10 is assigned to x, y and z, but in this example, the different set of values are assigned to more than one variable in a single statement. The next example is x, y, z equal to 2.3, 45, hello, which means x is assigned with the first value 2.3, y is assigned with the next value 45 and z is assigned with the next value hello. So we can provide a different values to different variables using a single statement itself. Okay, next one is Python supports different type of numeric values. Python supports different type of numeric values in numeric data type. We have already discussed the integer data type, string data type and the floating point data type. Another data type is also, three more data type is also available in Python numeric data type. Python supports different type of data types. For example, numeric data type, string data type, list data type, tuple and dictionary data type. So in this video, I am going to explain what are the different type of values used in numeric data type. For example, in numeric data type, we have already discussed integer data type, floating point and string data type. Integer, floating point and string data type. Three more data values are available in numeric data type. They are complex data type. First one is complex data type. In C++ or Java, suppose we have to use complex number means we have to explicitly write the class object for complex number. In Python, they are not necessary, just it provides the complex data type itself for declaring the complex values. For example, C equal to 7.8 plus 4.5 j. That is real part and imaginary part. The real part is 7.8 and the imaginary part is 4.5. Here the imaginary part is identified with the letter J. Usually in complex numbers the imaginary part is identified with the letter I, but in Python that is identified with the letter J. Now we are printing the complex number C, then it is considered as the real part as well as the imaginary part of the particular number. We can also assign only the imaginary part in complex number. Here D is considered with a value, real value 0, and the imaginary part is 9.6 J. We can also use scientific numbers, exponent value in the real part and imaginary part. For example, 4.5 E3 plus 4.5 2.5 E2 J. Here when F is printed, it displays the value like this. We can also use exponent value in the real part and imaginary part. So two more data types are available in Python, that is hexadecimal and octal numbers. So how the octal numbers are declared in Python, used in Python. For example, P equal to octal numbers. For declaring octal numbers, we have to use 0, then O, then corresponding octal number. When we print the octal number, it displays the decimal equivalent of the given octal number. Usually the octal numbers are used with the letter 0 as the starting letter, but in Python we have to use the letter 0 as well as O, then actual octal number. And it also prints the, when print the octal number, it prints the decimal equivalent of the given octal number. I am using one more example for this. For example, S equal to 0, O, then 12. This is another octal number. It just prints the decimal equivalent of this octal number 12. That is conversion of octal number to decimal number. How we can convert the octal number into decimal number? 2 into 8 power 0, then 1 into 8 power 1, 2 into 8 power 0, that is 2, 8 power 0, 1 into 2, 2, plus 8 power 1 into 1, that is 8. So 8 plus 2, 10. That is the decimal equivalent of this octal number. Similarly, we can use the hexadecimal number. How the hexadecimal numbers are used in Python means x equal to 0, x, then actual hexadecimal number. Here 0x12. When we print the value of the particular hexadecimal variable, it prints the equivalent, decimal equivalent of the given hexadecimal number. How we can convert the hexadecimal number into decimal number is 2 into 16 power 0 plus 16 power into 1 into 1. So here anything power 0, 1 into 2 plus here 16. So totally 16 plus 2 equal to 18. We can also use one more example. Y equal to 0x, 0x, then 15. 0x 15. When we print the value of y, it prints the decimal equivalent of the given hexadecimal number. We need not convert the given octal number or hexadecimal number into decimal equivalent. Python automatically converts the corresponding numbers into the decimal equivalent. Here y equal to 0x 15, which means here the 5 into 16 power 0. So then anything power 0, 1, 1 into 5 plus 1 into 16 power 1, that is 16. So 16 plus 5, totally it is 21. So that is the decimal equivalent of the given hexadecimal number. So these are the different type of values used in the numeric data type, that is integer, float, complex number, then octal number and hexadecimal number. We can use the scientific numbers in the scientific value, exponent value in the floating point numbers. So I hope this video may be useful for you. Thank you.